China has described the military exercises in southern Japan involving troops and hardware from France, Japan, the United States and Australia as a waste of fuel, but observers say they may signal a tightening of the US alliance in the region. The week-long air, land and sea exercises, named R-21, began on Tuesday at the Kirishima training area on the Kyushu Peninsula and simulate different scenarios such as defending remote islands and intercepting vessels at sea. At a press briefing in Beijing on Thursday, China's Foreign Ministry spokeswoman Hua Chunying said the drills had no impact on China. Does anyone think this joint drill aimed at putting pressure on China would really frighten China, she said. Among these four countries, there are those that have developed a nature of aggression and invasion as we can tell from history, she said. Instead of doing some self-reflection and using their power to contribute to regional peace, they target China as an excuse to strengthen military behavior. What is their intention? This so-called joint drill has no impact at all on China. It only costs them fuel. I hope they will use the time and resources for their own countries and contribute more to the fighting the coronavirus pandemic in their respective countries and the world, she said. The exercise is a first for France in Japan but comes amid a flurry of military activity involving the US and its allies in the region, including in the South China Sea and East China Sea, where Beijing has overlapping territorial claims with several of its neighbors. Thank you everyone for watching this video.